at this. We got a bit of a body kit on the car.
It's been 24 hours. So last night we got hammered. we got stuck into getting the kit on. So the kit's not completely on, but it's on. Did the under panels and stuff like that. All stuff that, you know, you probably shouldn't be worrying about. You should be worrying about getting the freaking engine in there. But anyway, we're still waiting on that. Not a problem, it'll be here. So we're just chipping away, staying positive, getting it done. So today, along with, you know, normal day-to-day phone calls and customers and yada, 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 I'm gonna try and trickle a few jobs here and there. And tonight is gonna be another big one. So be here till midnight plus. And yeah, so now I'm gonna probably run these wheels and yeah, just gotta get some rubber on them and then yeah, get cracking. So I'm gonna run them on the back too, so I'll keep all the freaking matched wheel people happy. I know some people out there hate it when I put different rims on. I was gonna put these on the front and then the Equips on the back just to piss a few people off, but no, we're not gonna do that. So we'll run the Kanzai wheels and yeah, just get cracking. This bonnet is very, very OG. This comes all the way back to 2007. So I actually bought this shell off the Wheelworks crew way back in 2011, I think it was, when I bought it. And then, yeah, it come with this bonnet because this car was destined to actually be another one of the Wheelworks fleet. They were gonna run like 3 S15s or 4 S15s, all matching, all 2Js, like way back then. And it was gonna be a big deal, but then, yeah, it didn't happen. Drifting went back then, and yeah, everyone went their separate ways, and now it's starting to go back up, which is cool. So it's really cool to obviously have this done. The cage was done by Helps Metalworks in Adelaide, probably 3 years ago now, 3 or 4 years ago. And yeah, finally piecing it all together. Pete has been flat out, man. Pete's almost got the wiring loom done. He reckons another 4 days and he'll have it finished, because he's obviously doing it after hours. And yeah, then once the engine's done, I can start piecing this sucker back together. Because I got the direct clutch. I actually have to hit them up about a new spigot, because I use custom ones. So I'm gonna ring Drew right now. So we'll cut to probably this afternoon once work's done, and get busy. Sorry once again for not documenting everything. And I'm sorry to myself, because it would have been freaking cool. Would have loved editing all this. Anyway, let's see how we go. Let's hold the camera a lot more now, so you guys can enjoy it. Oop. I gotta pull my freaking camera out. And this bloke rings me. Hey man.
The next day.
Righto guys, welcome back. It's a few extra days in advance. It's been chaotic. Anyway, the car is all wrapped. It doesn't look like it there, obviously, but and obviously some of the panels have still got white. But anyway, everything is wrapped, ready for Monday when it's going to get stickered. It is currently Saturday night, almost Sunday. It's been a massive couple of days, guys, and I've had some support from old Big Al, and there's a new Big Al. It's Sydney Big Al. No, Alan, sorry. I'm so delusional. And ignore me, guys. But yeah, and then also Pete, one of his mates, Daniel, come in as well today and help with the wrap. So that side of things is done, ready for Monday. Super thankful, thank you guys. Pete is smashing out this loom. He's like almost finished, but he had to go tonight or he would end up being bloody single. Nah, just kidding, it's a joke, it's a joke, it's a joke, I'm joking. So yeah, obviously dummy engine's out now. We have to fix up those brackets. You can see the welds have come off. So unfortunately, we've got to weld the tunnel and wreck the paint. So obviously the paint on the inside of the car. So Ray's going to come tomorrow. It's going to help me buzz them back on, and then we're going to re-slap it with some paint. Yeah, sucks. Anyway, there's heaps of little things that are just doing my head in. But anyway, we're getting there. So dummy block out. That's not ever going back in. we are putting the new engine in next. So fingers crossed it is built Monday. We finally got everything back from the machinist, and we're going to be piecing together this brand new little combination, which is going to be good. It's going to be a cast block still, so don't get too excited, guys. And but yeah, another little thing Cherry and myself have been working on. So yeah, we've had to retire the old red shocks. So I obviously put a post up. MCA hit me up and they're like, dude, we gave you them so long ago, the seals are probably dried out, so it's too risky. And they sent me the brand spanking new Pro Drift. Oh, here we go. Cut. Oop. So here we go. Brand spanking new Pro Drift. God, this is not camera friendly. Look at it. These are sick. Whew. These look freaking amazing, and they look even better installed. So I have chucked them in the front already. Got a little bit too keen. And I've got one side in the rear. Look at them. Blacked out, murdered out. So anyway, I run a big 5 kgs in the back and 8s in the front. For anyone that thinks I'm hiding or secrets, whatever. I don't know. Whatever you want. I'll tell you my suspension settings. I don't give a crap. I've got nothing to hide. Just drive the bloody thing. Anyway, we're going to bung these in. And then I got my spare axles from the Sony. So we're going to use GDR axles with the 350Z diff. And I've got my old crusty sway bar there too out of a GDR. So I'll slap that in as well. Fingers crossed it all fits up with the GK Tech lower arms. I'm pretty sure it does. We'll find out in a second. And yeah, a few little things I've got to tickle up in here. Got to make a cover for that exhaust so that doesn't burn me or CO2 me out. You've got to run on the lines for the extinguisher, so I'll do that tomorrow. I'll have a gigantic couple of lists in my old dream big book here. Big list. I've got to order a couple more parts from Raceworks. They've been amazing. And yeah, so once Abdul's finished the motor on Monday, what's that, 2 days, I'll chuck the engine box. Actually, I'll put the direct clutch on, get all the slave, everything sorted, put that gearbox on, G-force, and bung it in. I got my GJ I think it is, GJ drive lines from Victoria. I noticed a few people have been using them. I see their sticker everywhere. So I hit them up. I'm like, hey man, can you make me a tail shaft for this freaking steed I'm building? And told them all the specs, and you know, big RPM, big power. And they come back with an aluminium tail shaft. I'm like, are you sure it's gonna be all right? So anyway, paid for it, and it was a heck of a lot cheaper than anything else here in Sydney. Like, I was looking at like $3 grand for a tail shaft here. It's freaking nuts. So I got this tail shaft for $2 grand with the 1350 yoke supplied for the back of the gearbox. Like I had that for the G-force. I had a spare one for some reason. I have no idea why. But anyway, so yeah, $2 grand delivered. So I thought that was pretty good. Well, honestly, that's a lot of money for a tail shaft. But compared to Sydney prices, I'm cheering, because it was $3 grand for a crusty old steel thing that would have weighed 10 times as much. But anyway, so we got that sorted. It fits. I have tried it. And then what else is there? Oh, so that leaves Monday sticker day. So I'll film that. I'll try and film that, because while this is going on, the freaking phone hasn't stopped. You guys are annoying the crap out of me. But you're not annoying me, because it's my job. And we're selling stuff, so it's a good thing. And we had a gearbox sale. You guys would have missed it, because by the time I get this video out, it would have been long gone and all the gearboxes would be sold. But yeah, we had a sequential freaking bonanza, and they went like hotcakes. So it'll be a while till the next shipment's in. So if you're after X-Shift, PPG, Albans, Katut, any of those sequentials, you have to wait now. Anyway, I'm delusional. I need sleep. And I'm just talking crap now. So I'm going to cut to maybe tomorrow. We'll see. There's not much else happening here. I fitted up my new tri-aces, and I found some Zestinos to chuck on the front. So I needed some small 225s, and that's what I found in my little stash over there. So yeah, I'm so excited to burn these up. Let's go. All right, back into it.
The next day.
What are you doing, Pivo? What is this? It's fitted, installed, everything.
Yeah, car's running, bro.
Hell yeah. How many days out are we?
It's Monday. Today's Monday, the 28th. We've got 2 or
At 4 p.m. So the
Yeah.
day's almost done. Well, business hours anyway, not our hours.
Yeah, so realistically the car needs to be running tomorrow night.
Yes.
And then Wednesday gives us a bit of leeway to iron any bugs out. Thursday we're fucking on.
Where's this? Oh, Pickle. Look at the freaking amount of work that he's done though. God damn. Big ass auto sport connectors. Anyway, Pivo has been freaking smashing it out. There's never a car build without hiccups, so yeah. There's 1,000,001 jobs that need doing and not too many hands available. So I'll just do what I can. I look at things and I've already known I've forgotten a lot and I need to get onto it. Like, I don't even have a steering wheel yet, so, but we can just rob stuff from the other cars and just make it all work. So anyway, it's gonna be another big night. I definitely will not be picking this camera up, but we'll see. We'll see how it looks at the end of tonight. I've gotta go help Dula build the engine right now, and it's Monday. We've got a 24-hour window to get this thing running, basically. Yeah, looking at the inlet manifold, more work there. God, anyway, into it.
All right, welcome back, guys. Taking over. It's Laz.
Yes, Peter.
Monday night. Just quickly doing the fire system.
Hooked it up fire extinguisher, mate.
So that when the car catches fire. If the car catches
Yeah,
fire.
if.
No wins.
If.
Quick update. Wiring loom is half in. Looking alright. Looking alright.
I need to figure out how I'm going to have this running. Because if I have it too close, I'm scared it's just going to hit the face. Or,
Take
if I put it too far in, the dash is going to cover it and then I'm not going to cop anything.
So you're scared it's going to hit the dash?
Well, I'll
maybe hit the
I'll
dash.
put it here, but then Jack's going, oh, that looks like shit.
We'll get him then.
Yeah. I'm waiting for him. What he's going to do, I can still run the rest of this line.
Goodbye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back, mate. How's the hospital?
Yeah, good. That's a distant memory. We don't talk about that anymore. Hey Mick, how's it going?
Jones's camera.
Hello.
Yeah. This is going on the DriftSquid YouTube.
This is Michael Bradley. This fine specimen of a human being is Michael Bradley.
Keep eating, man. So
No, imagine if I just went.
tell us about the Evo.
No.
What engine? Oh, you know, yeah.
Make about 1,000? Yeah, about that.
What turbo? Oh, you know, a big one.